In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to do an overhead tricep extension with one of these long looped resistance bands. So you'll notice it's a really thin band. It's a 10 to 35 pound band. And the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to place your foot onto the resistance band. Whatever foot that you've put on the resistance band, you're going to be working that side's tricep. So you'll notice here I'm going to be working my right tricep because I've got my right foot on the band. I've got an underhand grip like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into a position where I've brought my elbow in line with my shoulder. And I've also then got my hand in a position where it's pointing up. Elbow starts to come back. I'm bracing my core here, so I don't want to arch the back. I keep my elbow into my side as I'm in that position. From here, what I'm going to do is come directly up, straighten the elbow, and back down. Directly up, straightening the elbow, and coming back down. Each time I do this, it's a repetition. You'll notice as well, there's a lot more control variability. So for example, when you do a dumbbell, you always know that dumbbell is going to be the same weight. Whereas when you do a resistance band, the more you pull on the resistance band, the heavier the resistance gets. So you start off in a position where as soon as you start to extend the arm, the amount of resistance is going to go up and up and up, which means when you try and bring the elbow back down, you'll have a lot of shaking in the tricep. It'll be a very different sensation. If you've never used one of these, you might almost feel like it's a little bit jerky in terms of the movement when you come down. If you do a lot of these, it does become better. It is very hard to control these on the eccentric lowering phase as opposed to something like a dumbbell, so watch out for that.